beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's channel. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing the videos as well. So today, guys, we are doing an unboxing of this selfie stick tripod with a field light. So let's get into this. I'm excited. Got two of these. These are the little lights. All right, guys, so this is the tripod. You've got your three little buttons here, which is your on and your off. Buttons. And let's see. Yeah, that's the remote, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the remote. So just kind of take that off, and then you have all of the different things that you could do. You got your button, you got your you got the music, you got camera, and then you got the little heart. Okay, and this is the bottom, and we're gonna get it set up here. Guys, I want you to see how tall this tripod is. I cannot wait to use it. This can almost get a full selfie of me. I know it can. This is an amazing tripod. It also has lights that I can attach to the side, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But the height of it is absolutely amazing. And I'm going to show you the difference between this one and the one that I use normally. Okay, they're both side by side. Look at the difference. I have been struggling with that small one. I have really struggled. So this one I know will be great for me, like when I'm cooking and I can have it over the stove, or if I'm just doing videos of myself, I can get like full length videos of myself, depending on how I position this tripod. Man, when I say this is amazing, guys, this is amazing. Here is this amazing tripod, guys, with the lights attached. And you just basically, there's a little button right there. It changes it. I'm so excited about this. I really am, guys. I cannot wait to use this. And then my cell phone, it just fits. Let's see. Right in here. So I'll have to show you that with my other cell phone. Just one second. I can't really show you because my other phone is too big to fit inside this. So, but this is where my phone fits, right here, and it fits very snugly. And you just adjust your lights if you need the lights. If you don't need the lights, guys, you take the lights off. However you want to do it, but this is an amazing tripod. And I'm going to say the tripod stands about 5 feet tall, or maybe taller than that, because I'm 5'11". All right. So guys, hey, thank you for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos, okay? Until the next time, guys, don't forget to remain sweet and kind. Thank you. Bye for now.